Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn Chapter 2 Hardware and Software. A computer is an electronic machine that needs data to work. Data can be anything, such as the marks of all the students in a class, or even a picture that you draw, or a letter that you type on the computer. We now know that the four main parts of a computer are the keyboard, mouse, monitor and CPU. These parts are called the devices. All the devices work together to give the result or the output. There are some parts or devices of the computer that you can touch and connect to the computer. These are called the hardware. The hardware of the computer works only when we give instructions. These instructions that makes the hardware work are called the software. Both hardware and software together make up the computer system. The person who works on the computer is known as the user. A computer performs its functions through three types of devices. Parts of the computer that we use to put it data into the computer are called the input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, microphone and scanner. The part of the computer that processes the data is called the processing device. For example, CPU in the CPU box. Parts of the computer that shows the result after processing the data are called the output devices. For example, monitor, printer, speakers and headphones. Input device. Keyboard. The keyboard is one of the most important input device. It is used for typing words and numbers in the computer. Some of the major keys on the keyboard include caps lock key, enter key, arrow key, backspace key, delete key and shift key. Mentioned on next page are the keys on the keyboard and their functions. Navigation keys. Page up, page down, home and end. Page up is used to scroll up on documents. Page down used to scroll down on documents. Home moves the cursor to the beginning of a line. End. It moves the cursor to the end of a line. Editing keys. Insert, delete, backspace. These all are editing keys. Insert. It switches between inserting text and overwriting text. Delete. It deletes single characters of text to the right. Backspace. It deletes single character of text to the left. Function keys. F1 to F12. These keys perform special functions depending on what program is active. F1 is the help key in many programs. Windows key. The Windows key activates the Windows Start menu, which is the same as clicking the Start button on the taskbar. Escape key. Commonly used to exit or cancel the current mode, such as exiting from a menu. also used to clear an area or repeat a function such as redrawing the screen. Control and Alt key. These keys are called combination keys because they are used together with other keys. Tab key. This key allows us to give 5 spaces between two words. It is also used as movement key within tables and dialog boxes. Number lock key. The number lock key is a toggle key. It turns the numeric keypad on and off. So students, in this part of video, I told you about keyboard keys and hardware parts. I hope it was clear to you all. In the next video, we will study the rest part of the chapter. Thank you.